Hello, folks. This is Sunwave. I am good morning from Oklahoma City. School. It's almost noontime. But right now, this video is about band framing in SDRuno. For those that own an SDR Play RSP, either the 1A, the 1B, the Duo, the DXR2, or the DX, and that's about it. Those that are using RTL SDR, using SDRuno EXTIO for RTL SDR, I don't even think that's going to work out. I've never tried it. I don't know. It just seems like a thing I wouldn't experiment with because I don't use RTL SDR hardly much anymore. I got mine put in a box in a shelf, so as a backup. So let's get on to band framing here. First of all, we're going to work in the main window, the upper left window here, where you have the play button, local oscillator lock, your virtual receiver, add and delete, RF gain. You see all this right here. So one thing about it is we want to set our decimation back to 1. Change it to 0 IF, which is a ZIF, or 0 intermediate frequency. You go to bands in this window, the RX control window, this upper middle window right here. You see this S meter right here, and it's the red button right below it in the middle. It says select a band group. Now this is not a direct entry keypad. This is for band groups. Direct entry can be done in the where you see this frequency of 27.425 megahertz. That's where that's done at. And I'm trying to keep this as simple as I can because I am not a scientific person, and I am guesstimating that a lot of the people that watch my videos are really, normal thinking people. So we're going to do it the normal thinking people way here. So what I'm going to do now, since I got it on 0 IF and at the sample rate of 2.0 and a decimation of 1, that's the default. I'm going to go to bands. I'm going to click on custom. Okay, let's do this again in case you missed it. Click on the bands button and then click on custom. Now we got a blank slate. It does not matter where you put a band group in, but I'm going to make one for CB, the main 40 channels of CB. Now you're going to have to understand how to type out frequency without a decimal. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Okay. From 26.965 to 27.405. But we want to add a little bit of a percentage to both sides of the band. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to right click on 0. So you can get this window up right here. This is where you customize your band framing. So remember, this is going to be an 8-digit frequency for low frequency and another 8-digit frequency for high frequency. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blank that out. I'm going to type in 26.900. I got 4 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Okay, that's going to start on the it's going to start below channel 1. And for the high frequency, I'm going to input in 27, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, that's 6 digits. And that's 5 digits. That's 8 digits. See something right here for the lower frequency. 26, 900, 1, 2, 3. Alright. And then for the button name, I'm going to call that CB or 0 for 40 channel CB. I'm going to click on OK. We got a CB channel 40. 40 channels right here. Okay. I'm going to start it. I'm going to press. Okay. You select whatever button you want. Okay, so if you don't like what you got set up, you can always edit it. Press the clear button. Right click it again. I don't like my low frequency, so I'm going to change that to 940. Make sure you got 8 digits or else it won't count. Press on OK. Test it. Do it again. And look what we got now. Centered. We're centered on 27.180, which makes sense. Because that's actually, it's 5 kilohertz below the actual center. But in this case, in regards to it being SDR, it's actually 180. They say 185 because a factory default CB cannot tune to 180. So 5 kilohertz is not much of a difference in centering on the band. So SDRuno has automatically, based on our frequency range from 26.940 way over here, 27.420 way over here. But it's got the visible part of the 40 channel band in view. See, we got 27.405 over here somewhere. About right there. Ish. We got 27.965 right here. So that's band framing in SDRuno. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and you have a good day.